My name is Nancy Mantrana, and I will be receiving an associate's degree from Rappahannock Community College at Warsaw. I found out about the program via the semester schedule that comes out every semester. It was the fall of 2011.
Okay.
I was very excited to see the course that I took, which is Japanese. I was a little apprehensive at first, being my first online course that I had taken at RCC. And with it being shared services, I figured, why not? I'll try it out and see how it goes. And it went well. Everyone was very helpful. There's only a number of colleges that offer Japanese, and none of the universities do. I would like to teach English in Japan, so I'd have to be at least a little comfortable speaking the language before I could do that. I think everything went very smoothly. I don't know how it went on the inside, but as a student, it was great. Anytime I needed any assistance, anyone was more than willing to help me. Overall, I feel great about this program, and I look forward to taking more courses. And I hope that anything that they have offered I can take and will help me in attaining my degree.